Hello students, good morning. As you know, our running chapter of history is Maharana Pratap, and we have already discussed about introductions, Pratap's early life, and Pratap becomes Maharana, means how they become Maharana after his death of his father. These topics we have already cleared. Now let's on it new topic about this chapter, Maharana Pratap, the brave warrior. Okay, Maharana Pratap was determined to recapture Chittor. He knew it would not be easy. He didn't enough money to take care of his soldiers, but he did not lose hope. Why Maharana Pratap was determined to recapture Chittor? As you know, in your previous video, we have already discussed about Mughals are captured Chittor fort. Okay, he did not lose hope, and he vowed means kasam. He swore that he would not live a life of comfort. He didn't like live a life of comfort until he had won back चित्तौड़. जब तक वो चित्तौड़ को पा नहीं लेते तब तक वो आरामदायक जिंदगी नहीं व्यतीत करेंगे. Okay? He ate on leaf plates and slept on a bed of straw and live in a mud hut like his soldiers. And the Rajput soldiers are loyal to their king. Beside the soldiers, the Bhil tribals who lived in Arauli hills around Mewar were very good archers. Bhil tribals also helped to the Maharana Pratap. They also helped the Maharana Pratap in his fight against Mughals. Now, the next battle between Akbar and Maharana Pratap was the Battle of Haldi Ghati. As Maharana Pratap refused to accept Mughal control, Akbar sent huge army to fight him. But there was a battle of Haldi Ghati. The small but brave army of Rajput fight fiercely against much larger army of Mughals. When Rajput army when Rajput army to see that they could not defeat the much larger army of Mughals, then they decided to save their king. Instead, Maharana Pratap escaped on his horse Chetak, and Chetak horse wounded in battle and died, but not before he had carried his master to safety. He is still remembered for his bravery and loyalty. After the Battle of Haldi Ghati, Maharana Pratap lived in the forest of Arauli Hills, and he prepared his soldiers to fight again. From the hills, Maharana attacked many times and he was able to win back most of the areas, but not Chittor. Now, of the many struggle to recapture Chittor, Maharana Pratap died after he was hurt in hunting accident, though his dream of recapturing Chittor remained unfulfilled. But stories of his bravery are still told by the historians and many people of Rajasthan. Now we have completed this chapter. Okay, thank you.